Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are looking for snacks to be snacking on during your day or at night, try this simple snacks recipe. Just go ahead and place your empty dried pan on the heat, add your liquid milk, few drops of vanilla essence, sugar and also salt. And after that, give it a quick stir. Then next, go ahead to add in your butter, but make sure you use unsalted butter. Then continue stirring it until you are done melting the butter, and after that go ahead to add in your flour, and make sure you add the flour gradually and continue mixing while adding in your flour until you get a nice and soft dough. And one more thing guys, before you start adding your flour, make sure you reduce the heat, and after you form a dough, go ahead to take it off the heat and transfer the dough into your mixing bowl. Then go ahead to use your spatula to spread the dough in your mixing bowl. So next, go ahead to take out one raw egg, then break the shell and pour the egg in your plate, and after that use a fork to beat the egg. When you are done beating the egg, go ahead and start pouring the egg in your mixing bowl gradually. While doing so, continue mixing with your spatula. And please, to all my amazing viewers, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and also support this channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker if you like my recipe. So once you are done mixing, go ahead to transfer the soft dough into a piping bag. So next, go ahead to place a baking paper on your baking pan, and after that apply pressure to your piping bag by pressing it until the soft dough starts dropping, and make sure that the size of the dough you are dropping is small, and continue repeating the same process until you finish everything. After that, dip your thumb inside water, then use it and press down the top of the dough. So after you are done, go ahead and place your dough in your oven and let it bake for at least 12 to 14 minutes. So 12 minutes later, go ahead and take out your snacks from the oven, then transfer them into your plate and let it cool down. After that, you can go ahead and enjoy your snacks. Trust me, these snacks will melt in your mouth once you put it in your mouth. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.